Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today I will quickly show you in real time the withdrawal process of Peer2Profit. For those who don't know what is Peer2Profit, you can check my previous video about it by using the link in the description of this video. But before start, as always, this is the official channel of FarsetBravo.fun, which is a website dispensing free Bitcoin, Satoshi and Dogecoins in several easy ways. If you wish, you can check the site using the link in the description of this video. I already logged in my Peer2Profit account. As you can see, I'm in the payout section, and I already reached the minimum withdrawal amount for these withdrawal methods here. The process I will show you is exactly the same even from the application, from the Peer2Profit application. I'm using the website dashboard because I'm more comfortable with it. Once the withdrawal will reach my FaucetPay account, it will be shown here in the history section. So I will update this section once the withdrawal, once the earnings will be received by my FaucetPay wallet. But let's start with the withdrawal process. As you can see, with this amount of money I have, I can choose one of these options here. I usually use Trons. I already withdrawn several times using Trons, but of course you can select several other methods. The important thing to note is that depending on the coin you want to withdraw, you could need to choose the right network for the transaction. For example, if you select USDT, you can see you can select different networks. If your wallet, for example, can receive USDT on the Tron network, then you must select the Tron network to send the USDT from Peer2Profit to your wallet. Otherwise, you could end up not receiving your money. Anyway, in my case, I use Trons. There is no network to select, of course. So I will just take my address here and I paste it here, and I just order the payout. Then you go on your registration email and insert the code they sent you. So I paste here the code that Peer2Profit sent me, and I click on withdraw funds. The payout will be received by your wallet within an hour. And in fact, every time I place the withdrawal, I receive the earnings within 20 minutes actually. And as you can see, once you place the withdrawal, you will see here the status which is sent in this case. And I will update this page and of course the history section of FaucetPay once the transaction will be completed. Okay, the transaction is complete. As you can see here, it took roughly 12 minutes, so it was very fast. Let's check the history section of FaucetPay. I reload the page, and as you can see here, this is the amount that Peer2Profit sent me, which is this. Okay, so as you saw, the payment process of Peer2Profit is very easy and you quickly receive your earnings. However, you need to be careful to choose the right network for the transaction. You can refer to my previous video about Peer2Profit for a more detailed explanation. However, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any question and like the video if you appreciated it. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.